Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss on how to determine the ionic strength of solution. So let's get started. Calculate the ionic strength of solution containing 0.2 molar of calcium chloride. The ionic strength can be calculated by using the formula mu is equivalent to half the summation of the concentration and the ion itself to the power of 2. So for instance, we need to look at the calcium chloride. So you need to know what are the ionic form of this. So you have two different things. One is calcium, one is chloride. So Cl negative and you have your Ca2 positive, right? But bear in mind that for chlorine, you have 2 chlorine over here, right? So for here, you need to do half. We are going to start with this. So the concentration is 0.2 times the charge, which is 2 positive to the power of 2 plus the same goes here, concentration times here is just 1, negative 1 to the power of 2. But here you have 2 chlorine, right? So since you have 2 chlorine, you need to times 2. Right? So since you times 2, it's going to be half 0.2 times 4 plus 0.4 times 1. So at the end, it's going to be half. This one should be 0.8 plus 0.4. So it's going to be half times 1.2. So you will get your final answer is equivalent to 0.6. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!